cute, elegant storage solution for all of my chokers. I'm gonna turn on the light. Turn on the light. Look at that. Ignore this. Ignore this. I put my Swiffer duster in an old bicycle helmet. That's I'm always crafty with the solutions to storage issues. This fell off my window a couple of years ago. I don't know if I should be concerned about that. I probably should be. Anyways, look at this. Look at this. Look at it. It's so cute. It's so cute. There's these hooks that oh my gosh, my camera. Come on. I wouldn't be able to see it. There's these hooks that I got from the dollar store. Like from Dollar Tree. They're black. You know I love black. And yeah, they just like these little clasp things just hook right onto the hook. So okay, oh my gosh, I've been chugging coffee all day. Okay, so let me just oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna have to set the camera down to get this open. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. Those are the hooks. Okay, so they're Jot brand push pins, and it's 40 pieces, and they just like, that's what they look like. And I've been using them everywhere, like everywhere. Okay, let me just like I want to show off everything here. Okay, so I used one to hang up my little spider venom wall hanging. Okay, and then oh my gosh, my allergies. Oh, my allergies. Okay, and then I used two of them to hang out my pot holders, and yes, I still use the Halloween ones because they cheer me up. Okay, I've been using those since I took the Christmas ones down. But like, they're so cute. They got little pumpkins. Like, look at the little pumpkins. It's so adorable. Okay, so anyways, I just want to show that. I just want to insert some clips of like how I decorated everything.